welcome to or back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today we are going to do a little updated room tour for you. If you watched my last room tour video, you'll know my style is pretty like bohemian, kind of minimalist, kind of basic honestly, but I've been working on my room for a long time and this is it updated about 6 months later, and we made a few changes. So I just wanted to take you guys around my room, show you where I got everything, show you how I'm decorating everything. So stick around, I hope you enjoy. Remember to hit like and subscribe if you like the video. I really appreciate it. And without further ado, let's get into it. Starting off with when you first walk into my room, I have this wreath on the door from Target, which if you saw the last one, that was there too. And on my dresser, we have these two fake succulents that Gracie gave me. That dog that represents my dog that passed away a while ago. This Devo calendar, which I love. It's by Sadie Robertson and she started Live Original, and that's what brand this is. This globe that I found on the side of the road, my fairy lights, and my letterboard that says Happy New Year. Volkswagen bus sign that my parents gave me for Christmas, and my DIY Polaroid pictures, along with a lot more up here. And then my moon phase wall hanging thing that my grandparents gave me for Christmas a while ago. Then we have my gold spiky thing, another succulent Gracie gave me, magnolia candle that I finally burned, and that was in the last room tour. And then this plant that Kaylin gave me, still thriving, thank you very much. And I got this picture while I was thrifting and it was just so random, but I love it. And I think it was only like $2 or something. And then this record player, this is a new addition on top of my parents' bench, and it actually is broken right now. It needs new needle, but I got it for $5 at a garage sale. I promise I'm not like that cheap, it's just that was such a good find. I was so excited about that. And then over here we got my swinging macrame chair and my ukulele. Another pillow I got thrifting with Ariana. Go watch that vlog if you haven't. Coconut, my stuffed polar bear. I love him. And then my little snowflake blanket because it's winter. There's the start of my fairy lights and my original Polaroids that I made with some succulent pins. I think I took one of them off to put in my phone case. Yes, I did. Here is my first plant. Oh shoot, what is this one's name? I don't know if I ever named that one. I'll have to think about that. And then I got my nice big window. I really love this window in the morning, especially when it's sunny. It just makes it a lot better. Then we have my empty wallflower over here, which still smells a little good, so I'm gonna leave it in. And then here's some more devotional books in a cute little basket. These three by Sadie Robertson on the left, and then on the right, I haven't started reading that yet, but I really want to. Then on my nightstand, which by the way, my nightstand, my bed, and my dresser are all part of a matching Wayfair set. We have another plant from Target. That one's fake. This one is real. And we have my God is within her, she will not fail sign. This candle that Chris gave me, and the dish says the best time for new beginnings is now. And I showed you guys in the last one, but this is made by my friend Trinity. She wood burned it, got it from the beach. And then behind it is my flooded cacti. Yeah, I didn't really take care of them in the rain. That is not great. Also on my nightstand is my lamp, which is from World Market, a little clock, and a hedgehog cable bite. And then two more Sadie Robertson Devo books. Okay, now looking at my bed, I have my map from Hobby Lobby up to the left, and then I have my macrame plant holder, which I love, with my calathea plant that I also got with Ariana. I don't know if I named that one either. I'm feeling like a Fiona or some sort of F name, because like calathea, I don't know, or Callie. Anyways, and then on my bed, my comforter, can't remember where we got that. I love it though. My fuzzy blanket from my parents. That was a Christmas gift a couple years ago. And then the bus was actually in Hawaii. I couldn't remember in my last one where we got it, but we got it from some really nice store in Hawaii. And then the pillow behind it matches the comforter. That fuzzy pillow on the left was from Gracie. Pillow on the right, no, I can't remember where I got that one, but it's one of my favorites for sure. Pillow on the left was from a pillow set on Amazon from my grandparents. And then that cutie is Elle, the elephant. I know, I'm so creative, but I love her. She's my baby. Also, you can follow the fairy lights all around the room. Go over here. Then over here we have my Himalayan salt lamp and a fake plant from Target. Then my mirror with the DIY Polaroids on top. That's another video you should go watch if you haven't. Then over here is probably the least organized. I have my beanbag with another pillow I got thrifting, same as the last one. And I have a little notebook journaling area with my Bible, my MacBook, and it's kind of a little charging station because I have my lamp over here. Then up on the wall, I have my macrame and that little fake plant from Hannah. That was the sweetest little gift. And then over here is a real plant. I have a total of 4 real plants in here, I think, and a bag from Isabella. I love it. I've been using it literally all season. And these curtains are kind of minimalist, but I like them. And then I'll go ahead and show you what's in my closet. Let's move the plant out of the way. So we finally took the time to organize, but I definitely need to go through everything still because there's too much stuff in here. But we have my school bag on the left, then I have my boots that I got for Halloween specifically, fuzzy boots. Everybody thinks they're Uggs. I literally got them from an estate sale, so I'm happy either way. They're so comfy. And then too many shoes. I really need to go through them. But I finally got real Crocs. They were a Christmas present. Yeah, I think I have 3 pairs of Fila's in here. Don't ask me why, but I love the chunky sole. And I have like 5 pairs of runners, and I only use one of them really. Restaurant shoes, and then blazers, then summer shoes, which I haven't worn in a bit. That's sad. I miss summer. And then I got all of the sweatshirts. Thankfully, they're folded. Then in here, even less organized. We got our books right there and magazines. Some more books. These are just fun ones. I have some like devotional and Bible study books, and that is kind of a mess. That's random. That's also random. That's even more random. And there's vests. In here, this is pretty full. I have some more fake plants, some more macrame stuff, a lei, and some random rocks that I found, and abalone. Oh, and 2 leis, because that one used to be in my car, and then it was obstructing my vision, so I got a new thing. I should show you guys that. Then in here is kind of my seasonal, like, succulents, candles, some sunglasses and lights, my Polaroid camera, a mug, literally so random. All of my decor sort of things. Then in here is some workout stuff, a portable hammock. I'm so excited. I got my friend one for Christmas, so now we can use them together. And a phone running holder thing, knee pads, and some more Fitbit straps. This one is really random. There's some college stuff and some binders and a candle making set. That's fun. And here is mostly like craftsy stuff. I have some new card paper I got for Christmas, canvases, more card making stuff, little plant grow kits. We have some CDs, letters from our letter board, some more craft stuff, really random. And then I got a varsity letter for my old school, so I don't know what to do with it, but I'm really excited about that. And then some more workout stuff and ankle weights and like travel bag. And I hate saying this, but I haven't used any of this in a long time. We have like a different home gym setup. And then in here, I can't open it too big, but they're gifts for people, and they're the gifts that would fit in here. We have so many more gifts to give out, and literally something fell behind, so I can't even close it. That's my laundry. This is random bags and stuff. Yeah, very squished in here. And now I don't know why I'm showing you this, but this is the least organized part of my closet. Clothes, skateboard, backpack, soccer stuff. Everything's just kind of squished back here, so it's not even worth showing you, honestly. This was my room, not even on a good day, on its best day. There's a lot of stuff out in the hall, if I'm being totally honest, and I literally just set my record player up today. So we're still figuring things out, but I just wanted to show you guys what's changed and what my style is currently. You'll see it's pretty similar, but there are a few important things. Like, I've been able to keep my plants alive, which is a major accomplishment for me, except for the cacti out there. We're not gonna talk about that. So anyways, thank you guys so much for joining me. This was really fun for me to film and look through and organize my room completely. I'm really thankful for every one of you, and I hope this inspired you with your room decor. Have a great day and a great new year, and remember, Jesus loves you.